Actually, our plan was no rental the car because my sister-in-law have a van, 8 people can fit. But my husband said, hey, maybe we need to rental the car so we can go somewhere, we can do everything. And he want to go to pool too. Playing pool, playing pool. Yep. So we rented the car. Give me the money. Baby, are you okay? You did hard work. That daddy's carry is hard to drive in.
Alien name tag on it at Charlie 2324 gate area. Please return. But yeah, right? Oh, that's smooth lady. No smooth lady. No. That's a book. I didn't know the film. So actually our plan was no rental the car because my sister-in-law have a van, 8 people can fit. But my husband said, hey, maybe we need to rental the car so we can go somewhere, we can do everything. And he want to go to pool too. Playing pool. Yep. So we rented this car and we all around, and then when we call the hotel, there is a room available, so we can check in, early check in now. So lucky. So we are going now hotel. Yes. We are almost there. My sister-in-law's timeshare hotel, word mark.
Should be mom's.
Oh, mom? Not
Go
Federal?
past this light, then turn right.
Can't see. It's mom's.
You mean mom's timeshare?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah,
I just have
drinks. Wow. Turn right, then take the first right.
Ooh. Let me see.
Turn
Confirmation
right,
number?
then take the first
Native angle. A little bit of orange. You can cheat this just a touch.
Give me the Is that safety? Oh, you made it. What the heck? Oh, safety?
No, it's just the gearing and stuff. Yeah. It's not like my truck. My truck has a 5-speed, but it's so
Too dark.
it's
My feathering.
355. So
Oh, three guys cannot see.
I'll be like at 70 miles per hour in my RPM, like the other two.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.
Bye bye.